Hi guys, I'm right here in the Black Forest. This is it's like a river or a stream. Look at there. You can see the water is very fresh and very clean. It is coming from the top of the forest. You can use this one for cleaning the clothes, for washing. So let's go. And you can see that the old building is on my right side. Mostly it is old building, guys, but it is well maintained. Let's take a look again the water here. Masarap maligo dito. It's good to swim here. Very fresh and very clean. So let's proceed, guys. So in the Black Forest, this is the COVID center. Testing center for the COVID station, coronavirus testing center. Look. But I am already vaccinated 3 times, so I don't need to go there. So guys, look at here. This is the hillside of the Black Forest. You can see the local houses is located in the hillside. That is the local houses of the German in the southwest of Germany. And here is the church. I used to attend here, this church. This is a Catholic church, but since it's pandemic, so I stopped going there inside. You can see there. And look here, very beautiful. So this is the Black Forest. Guys, this is the continuation of our virtual tour in the Black Forest. So, stop muna tayo dito para makita nyo yung mga bahay so that you can see the houses there. And then by the backside, you can see also there. So I am now here in front of the church. Look at here. The water is very clear and clean. You can use this one for washing, for cleaning, for bathing, and etc. So again here, take a look the local houses of the Black Forest. So another side of the Black Forest this way. So let's continue, guys, with our virtual tour. Medyo mainit na, it's already sunny. But I want to walk because I want to have exercise para mag-sweating. So we will be sweating again here. This church is a Holy Spirit Church, a Catholic church. Look. Ang ganda ng mga bahay dito, guys. So dito tayo iikot. On other side, guys, look. This running water, or this stream, is connected to the biggest lake in the Black Forest. It is called the Bodin Sea. The biggest lake in the southwest is Bodin Sea. So this is connecting to the biggest lake. Kakapagod na, guys. I'm already sweating and already very tired. So you can see in another houses over there. Look at the beautiful, huh? Look at, guys, the beautiful. Masarap magano dito. Maligo. Maybe the next week or before the end of February, it is a carnival here in Germany. So look at here, guys. Other side of the Black Forest, the houses on the top. So let's take a look this way. So guys, I will continue with my virtual tour next video. Okay, so thank you so much for watching and see you. Bye bye.